Hardwood is gorgeous, there's no denying that. When it comes to hardwood, there's a lot more to consider than just the color. The species of hardwood can have a big impact on how durable the floor is, as well as how it reacts to sunlight. So let's take a look at a few different hardwood species on today's video. Hi, my name is Vinny Verga, and I'm here with Floors Uncovered to talk about hardwood species with you. In today's edition, we're going to be talking about the exotic species and how they differ from some of the domestic ones that we talked about in our previous video. Before we jump in, make sure you like and subscribe below if you haven't already for even more great content like this that we put out every single week. First, we need to talk about the Djenka Scale. The U.S. Forest Service puts out the Djenka Scale, which ranks how hard and durable different hardwoods are. Say that 5 times fast. The higher the number on the Djenka scale, the more resistant to scratching and denting that the hardwood is. It's important to note that the type of construction and finish used with the species does impact how it performs. These are general statements that we're going over by species. They will vary depending on how the floor was constructed. And remember, put felt pads beneath your chairs and furniture, as when they slide, they are the most likely thing to cause a scratch in your hardwood floors. Brazilian cherry, also known as Jatoba, is one of the higher ranking hardwood floors on the Djenka scale. And being a cherry, it's got great color variation. It is the most popular exotic hardwood species because of its richness, especially when it takes a red stain and the light and dark variation that's naturally seen through the floor, even when stained a different color. What's great about Brazilian cherry is it's perfect for mosaics, medallions, and inset hardwood floors. So if you're looking for something extravagant, look no further than Jatoba. Brazilian teak, also known as kumaru, ranks in the 3500s on the Djenka scale, making it even more durable than the Brazilian cherry and one of the most durable hardwoods on the scale. Kumaru has minimal graining, so it's more of a subtle look, although the richness comes in the color of the floor, which can be stained to a variety of different colors, but typically appears in a tannish to reddish brown color. Tigerwood has become really popular because of the extreme light to dark variation, not just board to board, but within the planks themselves. Tigerwood is a much higher Djenka rating than most domestics at 2,160, though not quite as durable as some of the other exotics we've already talked about on this video. What's most distinct about the tigerwood is its graining. In fact, it gets its name because it almost has stripes like a tiger. Santos Mahogany is another one of these floors with a Djenka scale rating of 2200. Santos Mahogany is unique in that it starts actually lighter and darkens into a richer, redder color over time, unlike most floors which, when exposed to sunlight, actually get lighter. Bamboo is hard to talk about because its Djenka scale rating really is dependent on the way that it's constructed. It can be engineered, it can be solid, and there are different grades of the wood with bamboo. So when it comes to bamboo, what's important to understand is a couple of things. Scratch resistance tends to be pretty decent with bamboo. Myth is the water resistance. Hardwood by its very nature is a natural product, so it wants to pull moisture in. So while bamboo is more water resistant than other hardwoods, it's not waterproof or water resistant like vinyl plank and some of the laminates that are being produced today. Don't be fooled. It's a great floor, just understand the limitations that all natural products have, bamboo included. Hopefully this video helps you in choosing your next hardwood floor. Are you going to choose a floor that's higher on the Djenka scale? Does the rating matter to you, or is it more about the style and color? Comment below and let us know, as we're curious to find what you want in your home next.